Welcome to Kids Vision TV. Hi kids and welcome back to my channel. Today we are coloring, drawing and painting a spider. Let's start by drawing. You can draw with me. Spiders are not insects. Black color. I am coloring its body with black color. It has 8 legs and so many eyes. Hope you like this video. Spiders are found all over the world. If you like my videos, then like, subscribe and please share and press the bell icon. Yellow color. Outline again. Spider is a carnivore insect.
Subscribe us for more videos.